Hello everyone. Today I'm looking at Aussie dollar CAD to go short. I'm looking up for about 55 pips, risking 10 pips for this trade. I'll show you how I came to this conclusion. On my H4 chart, I see that price formed a level of resistance here, came back and retested this level, failed, came back to the level again, and it looks like price may possibly fail again. Now, on a smaller time frame, price has rejected, price pushed above this level, came back below, and now it's sitting on the moving average. On an even smaller time frame, the M15, I see that price pushed above this level and then it rejected. Those in my private group will see the signals that we use for our sell entries, and they would have gotten in the trade same place that I would have gotten in the trade. The reason why I'm looking for this as a TP, my take profit that is, on my daily time frame, this is a level of support, and this is why I'm looking to take price down to that level. So we're looking to take Aussie dollar CAD for 55 pips, risking 10 pips. This trade was posted in my free Telegram signals room. The link will be below this video if you want to join that group. It's no charge to you, and I post at least one free trade there every week. Happy trading, everyone.